So today we're looking at the NRG 3-piece steering wheel system. This comes with a vehicle specific short hub, a universal quick release and a universal steering wheel. The quick releases come in a variety of styles and colours, as well as the steering wheels. The benefit of this is you can take the steering wheel off, get into your car and stick it back on. So when ordering a short hub, you need to make sure it is specific to your vehicle. For example, this one here, it is from a S14 and it is different to the one that we have on our display, which is for a 350Z. Whereas when ordering a quick release, these are universal, so we'll fit all of our NRG short hubs and come in a variety of different styles and colours, and will also fit our NRG steering wheel range. So a question we get asked a lot about is, can I get the ding noise? This is only available with the Gen 2.0 quick releases, which are the sort of circular design here.